Hi, did you know that you can use Briink to extract ESG insights from websites? We recently introduced a new feature that allows you to directly extract insights from websites, similar to how you would from a regular PDF document. This feature is available for questionnaires, gap analyses, and document chats. But how does it work? Well, you simply initiate an assessment in Briink. For instance, let's say you want to autofill one of our public questionnaire templates using information from the sustainability page of the Amazon website. After choosing your preferred questionnaire template, you'll be asked to upload a document. Beside the Upload Documents button, you'll find a new button which says Enter Website or File URLs. You can now easily copy the URL of the Amazon Sustainability webpage by using Ctrl-C. Next, click on the plus icon and paste your URL here. Briink will extract the web page and generate a PDF from it. This process should only take a few seconds. After it's completed, you can select this web page as you would a regular document. Additionally, you can add a combination of web pages and documents for your analysis. This feature is also applicable to PDFs with a URL. For instance, if you visit the Amazon Sustainability website, you can find a link to their report. This report is a PDF document, but it has been uploaded to Amazon's website and thus it has a URL. Now, you can save time by directly pasting the report's URL into Briink instead of downloading the report and then uploading it. I can't wait to hear your feedback on this new feature. If you find it useful or if you encounter any issues, please reach out to our team via intercom or at support@briink.com, and of course that's Briink with 2 I's. Every insight is appreciated.